Hi and welcome to Brick Maths. In this video, we're going to use Lego bricks to learn about area. There are 2 videos about area, and this video is part 2. Now that you understand what area is and how to count the bricks in shape to work out the area, we're going to move on to using multiplication instead of counting. Let's take a look at the 2D faces of these rectangular shapes. So to work out the area of a rectangle, we'd multiply the length by the width. Let's start by counting the length. 1, 2, 3, 4. The length of this shape is 4 bricks. Now we're going to count the width. 1, 2, 3. The width of this shape is 3 bricks. So now that we know the length and the width of this shape, we need to multiply these numbers together to work out the answer. 4 times 3 equals 12. This shape has an area of 12 bricks. Let's have a look at another shape. Let's count the width. 1, 2, 3, 4. The width of this shape is 4 bricks. Now we're going to count the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of this shape is 5 bricks. So now we need to multiply these numbers together. 4 times 5 equals 20. The area of this shape is 20 bricks. Let's have a look at one more. Let's count the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The width of this shape is 5 bricks. Now we're going to count the length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The length of this shape is 6 bricks. So now we need to multiply these numbers together. 5 times 6 equals 30. The area of this shape is 30 bricks. Area challenge 1. This shape is partially covered and we can't see every brick. Can you use what you've learned in this video to work out the area of this shape? Pause the video to give you time to work out the answer. Press play when you're done. This shape has a length of 5 bricks. The width is 3 bricks. So now we need to multiply these numbers together. 5 times 3 equals 15. This shape has an area of 15 bricks. Did you get that right? Area challenge 2. Can you make 3 different rectangular shapes that all have an area of 24 squares? Use your times tables knowledge to help you. Think about what numbers multiply together to make 24. Pause the video to give you time to work out the answer. Press play when you're done. Here are the 3 shapes you could have made. 12 times 2 equals 24. 8 times 3 equals 24. And 6 times 4 equals 24. So that's it for area. Hopefully you have a good understanding of how to work out the area of a rectangle using multiplication to help you. If you want to keep learning, keep an eye out for more videos by Brick Maths. Bye for now.